Everybody, meet Edward. Edward, hi. Say hi to the camera. Say hi to everybody. Now, Edward is a stray cat. Oh, where's he going? And there's Bella. And their boyfriend and girlfriend from Twilight. Huh, Bella? Bella, say hi, camera. Hi, everybody. Okay. Oh, goodness. Okay, well, they're going in the kitchen. Okay, anyway, I will tell you the story about... Okay, okay, let's go back in here. There's Edward. And, so anyway, Edward has been a stray cat, and he used to come around and spray, and I was able to take him down. He had all these knots in his fur that were just hanging off of him. Edward. He's a cool looking cat, ain't he? He's a cool looking cat, huh? He's a cool looking cat. Yes. Hi, Edward. Oh, you're so cute. Anyway, he was a stray, and the Animal Foundation here, I dropped him off. They shaved him, they gave him shots, and they fixed him, and he doesn't spray anymore. So he comes, visits every night, eats all of Bella's food. And yeah, so anyway. So yeah. And I'll have to get back with everybody about the taste test, because I know I just kind of left everyone hanging. But anyway, yeah, so that's Edward. And then he only stops by for about anywhere from a half hour to an hour or two. And then I let him back outside, and I don't see him till the next day. Okay, well, all right. Well, that's it. Okay, have a good night. Bye.